Scored a little bit finer on this occasion, a shorter part of the boundary, but it was good work. Gone! Right off the toe. Second ball. Marcus Bean makes a strong statement. He stands tall at the... That's a nice touch from Marnus. Started to play this stroke really nicely at the back. Khawaja, first real full delivery he's received, and he punishes it. Oh, he gives himself room and was followed by Meredith. Captain Ellis is greeted with the scoop all the way.
Oh, what a shot that is.
Oh, a lovely touch again. Too clever. The Colonel cops one in the bounce.
Yeah, that's what happens when you're back with Sam Constance at the other end. He's just copying him.
Chips and back taken. So Ellis does get his man. It's cost him a few, but he will be very, very happy to see the back of Khawaja.
Yeah, this is outstanding bowling here from Nathan Ellis. Still at number 4.
Slashed. Yes. A little tickle, Marnus. He'll claim it. That's a nice touch from Renshaw. Again, a maximum, just using the pace. 5-2s already. Renshaw wants down. Town. Teaser. Oh, just the fumble. That's a nice little touch and gets it fine.
Mine weren't made for wicket keeping.
Oh, ramp high, up and over. 4 out on the leg side. That's exactly where Marnus goes. It's in the gap, though.
Over.
Well, that's in the gap as well. Work for Tim David. Oh, he might be in trouble. It was a shorter boundary down there.
When you got those batters set.
Oh, he didn't get it. Got none of it. In fact, Meredith took all of it. Slice. It's going to get over the top. It kicks on into the boundary. So pace on, and that's carved to the boundary from Marnus. And he's going to benefit with a third 4 in the over. Oh, nice touch. Really nice touch. The maximum to close out the first surge over. Nathan Ellis. Ooh. Yeah, that'll be a boundary as well. So, well, the crowd will tell you. Helped over short fine leg. Copped a little bit of treatment tonight. Goes into the leg side and he's got enough. Humid. Oh, he got it. He had to play catch up. Bang. Pumped. All the way by Marnus. It's a career best in Big Bash cricket for a crowd favourite here at the Gabba. 4 for 111 they were. Ooh, that's firmly struck as well. But it's a lovely catch by Tim David. Straight up in the air. And Ellis settles and takes it. So he gets his third. Marnus is dismissed off the last ball, but he can be well pleased with his contribution. A little bit of shape there, and it's got past Swepson. Opening ball, opening boundary. Slip in a short third. Tries to access the leg side. Chance on offer here. Oh, it's gone begging. McSweeney. Bang, that's a much better strike. That's a monster. Well and truly all the way. Foxy's got to go back to back. That's a tremendous stroke. Oh, powerful blow. Just stepped into the office, did Spencer Johnson. Oh, the gap. Classic cricket stroke. And belted over the leg side. And that's going to get to the boundary for a Chemist Warehouse 4 as well. Upish, gone down. and gone all the way to the fence.
All the time, Nisa. And again.
It's some work to do. Nice touch.
Catch it.
Catch it is the call, but you're going to have to be in the crowd. And it wasn't taken. Goes again. There's a man out there, but it's going to be too big again. Back to back. Bang again. That sounded beautiful. Goes all the way, makes it 3 in the over. Carves it away in that crowd. Up, backing back at mid-off, settling, takes a great catch, the captain. Usman Khawaja, well done. The breakthrough they needed.
Against the leg spinner first up.
Into the gap, it's 4. Oh, I think that's gone. Sharp work from Allsop, beautiful bowling. Mitch Swepson, brilliant captaincy from Khawaja.
Thank you. Yeah, I have nothing. I have nothing
in.
behind the popping crease. I'm ready to make my
Like
decision
gone.
on the big screen.
Home fans are going to like it. Indeed they do. Oh, that's powerful. All the way, is it? No, one bounce.
202. Oh.
Nicely lofted over the top from Chowdhury. Oh, that edge. It'll prove a little bit costly for Kuhnemann. Hammered into the gap. Goes again. And it is in the gap, and it's firmly struck. Good work from Marnus. Just keeps it to 2. 49 duel. Oh, that's carrying. Oh!
Right shoulder came around too much.
Heaved. Oh, that's a beautiful stroke. That's dispatch for another maximum.
Jordan to come back.
Oh, he climbed across. Deep in the crease again. It's Chowdhury, it goes up. Chance from mid-on. Taken beautifully.
Oh, not
Up, coming in, McSweeney. 2 in a row. 2 in a row for the Heat. McSweeney. Spencer says, yeah, we're still alive. And that has been pummeled over cover. He can't. Scythed away backward of point. Hasn't got any of it really, but it's going to fall short. And Doran comes back. So does Wade. Slow ball again. Oh, the big thick outside edge to chase. Think about what's riding on this very delivery in terms of the competition. 3 teams' hopes are riding on it. Bartlett, can he defend? Wade says, no, you can't. Dispatches him over backward square into the crowd. It's a brilliant run chase by the Hobart Hurricanes. It's 7 on the hop. They go top of the table.